If you think you need thousands of dollars to start reselling on eBay, you really don't. Hi, I'm Sandy from Australia, and this is my very first video for Resell to Retirement. I'm in my mid-60s and I started reselling seriously because I wanted extra income for retirement expenses. Things like utilities, huge gas bills, and everyday living costs, going out with my girlfriends. And what started as a way to make extra money has turned into something I genuinely enjoy doing every day. Reselling keeps me active, keeps my mind busy, and gives me something productive and enjoyable to focus on. I actually started selling on eBay back in 2009, but it wasn't until 2021 that I began taking reselling seriously. One of the first things I did was open a basic eBay store subscription. I chose the cheapest option, around $24 per month. And because it comes directly out of my eBay account, earnings, I barely even notice it's gone. Now, let me tell you something important if you're a beginner. You do not need a massive eBay store to make extra income. My store stays under 700 listed items because I run everything myself, and that's the amount of work that suits me personally. That's one of the best things about reselling. You can build your business to suit your own lifestyle. Some people want huge operation with thousands of listings. Personally, I'm happy making enough to help cover my expenses while enjoying the freedom and flexibility that reselling gives me. One thing I really love about reselling is that you are your own boss. You don't answer to anyone but yourself. You can work when you want to work, take a break when you want to take a break, and build your business at your own pace. Another thing I love is the amount of traffic eBay already brings to my store. It's one of the biggest online selling platforms in the world, so customers are already searching every single day on eBay. Setting up a store is actually much easier than most think. And if you ever get stuck, eBay customer service is there to help you. There are also plenty of helpful videos on YouTube, including the official eBay YouTube channel, where you can usually find answers to most beginner questions. One of the biggest advantages today is the eBay app. You can run almost your entire store directly from your iPhone or Android. You can list items, answer customers, send offers, check sales, and manage your business from almost anywhere in the world. Another great feature is how easy it is to receive your money. You can have your earnings transferred directly into your bank account weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, depending on what suits you best. And if you ever want to travel or take a break, eBay gives you options for that too. You can place your store into vacation mode and customers will be notified when items will be shipped. Or you can temporarily pause your store completely while you're away, so no headache, and restart it when you return home. For me personally, one of the biggest reasons I enjoy reselling is simple. It's fun. How often do you get to do something you genuinely enjoy while also making extra money at the same time? Now, I do want to be realistic with you. You probably won't make thousands of dollars immediately when you first begin. Like anything worthwhile, it takes time to learn. But over time, you absolutely can build something meaningful. And the best part is you can grow it at your own pace. I have so much more to share with you over the coming weeks and months and years as I continue my own reselling journey into retirement. So if you'd like to learn more about beginner reselling, eBay selling and building extra income later in life, I'd love for you to subscribe and follow along with me on Resell to Retirement. And thank you so much for watching my very first video.